Welcome to the AI Prosperity Hub. Today we dive into how artificial intelligence is transforming the financial landscape, turning data into dollars. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights on AI and technology. The rise of AI in finance. The financial world is changing, driven by algorithms and artificial intelligence. From Wall Street to Main Street, AI is enhancing decision-making, personalizing customer experiences, and driving financial success. Data, the new currency. In finance, data is the new currency, more valuable than ever. AI processes massive data sets, identifying patterns and extracting insights hidden to the human eye. This ability to find meaning in data makes AI transformative in finance, beyond human capabilities. The human mind has limitations in processing vast amounts of data quickly. AI systems, especially those powered by machine learning, excel in this area. AI can analyze diverse variables to generate comprehensive predictions. While not infallible, AI's data analysis capabilities surpass human abilities. Machine learning, the engine of AI in finance. Machine learning, a subset of AI, builds systems that learn from data. Supervised learning uses labeled data, while unsupervised learning finds patterns in unlabeled data. Machine learning powers many AI applications in finance, from trading to fraud detection. The AI advantage. AI in finance offers greater efficiency, accuracy, and profitability. AI algorithms process information and execute trades at unmatched speeds. AI's objectivity and ability to consider a wide range of data points enhance predictions. This makes AI valuable for tasks like credit scoring and market forecasting. The rise of the trading machines. The iconic trading floor is being replaced by AI-powered systems. Algorithmic trading, driven by AI, now dominates stock market trades. This shift is about leveraging data and AI for smarter trading decisions. Algorithms analyze vast data to identify patterns and opportunities. Strategies, driven by data. Algorithmic trading strategies are dynamic, learning from new data. Strategies like trend following and arbitrage exploit market inefficiencies. The goal is to use data and AI to identify and exploit profitable opportunities. The human touch in an automated world. Behind every trading algorithm are human experts. Humans develop, monitor, and adjust algorithms, ensuring they adapt to market conditions. A hybrid approach combines AI's speed with human intuition and risk management. Beyond the FICO score. The FICO score is a blunt instrument in a complex financial world. Traditional credit scoring has limitations, often excluding certain individuals. AI can analyze a wider range of data for a more comprehensive credit assessment. AI-powered credit scoring promises a more inclusive and accurate system. AI-powered creditworthiness. AI analyzes vast data to predict creditworthiness. It considers alternative data and uses psychometric analysis for insights. Real-time credit scoring offers quick, up-to-date decisions. Financial inclusion through AI. AI-powered credit scoring promotes financial inclusion. It provides access to credit for underserved individuals by considering diverse data. This can empower individuals and drive global financial inclusion. The escalating battle against fraud. Financial fraud is a growing threat in the digital age. Traditional methods struggle to keep pace with modern fraud tactics. AI offers a robust approach, analyzing data to identify subtle fraud patterns. AI. The Watchful Guardian. AI-powered systems monitor transactions for suspicious activity. AI learns from data, identifying anomalies that indicate fraud. This adaptability helps AI stay ahead of evolving fraud tactics. Outsmarting the scammers. AI uses techniques like anomaly detection and predictive modeling. It analyzes networks to uncover suspicious patterns and connections. Systems like IBM's Watson and SAS fraud management have identified millions in fraudulent activities. The future of fraud prevention with AI looks promising. These innovations will enhance our ability to outsmart scammers. Tailoring Financial Services with AI. The days of one-size-fits-all financial services are fading fast. Today's consumers expect personalized experiences tailored to their needs. Thanks to AI, personalized banking is now accessible to the masses. AI leverages data to deliver unique financial services. Imagine receiving personalized insights and proactive alerts. AI empowers individuals to take control of their financial well-being. One of the most visible manifestations of personalized banking is the rise of Robo-Advisors. These automated investment platforms use algorithms and machine learning to provide personalized investment advice and portfolio management, typically at a fraction of the cost of traditional human advisors. Robo-advisors start by gathering information about an investor's financial situation, goals, and risk tolerance through online questionnaires. Based on this information, the Robo-advisors' algorithms create a diversified investment portfolio tailored to the individual's needs and automatically rebalance it over time as market conditions change. This automated approach offers several benefits. First, it lowers the barrier to entry for investors who may not have the assets or the inclination to work with a traditional financial advisor. Second, it eliminates human bias from the investment process, relying solely on data and algorithms to make decisions. And third, it provides transparency and control, allowing investors to track their portfolio's performance and make adjustments as needed, all through user-friendly online platforms. While robo-advisors may not be suitable for everyone, they represent a significant step toward democratizing access to sophisticated financial advice. Personalized banking is about more than just tailored products and services. It's about building deeper relationships with customers. AI enables banks to engage on a personal level. AI-powered chatbots provide 24/7 support, answering questions efficiently. These assistants are evolving into trusted financial companions. Imagine receiving proactive notifications about bills, savings, or personalized advice. This engagement builds trust and loyalty, transforming the customer-bank relationship. The financial sector, with its data-rich environment and relentless pursuit of efficiency, has become a breeding ground for AI innovation. Leading financial institutions around the world are not just experimenting with AI, they are fully embracing it, integrating AI-powered solutions into their core operations and reaping the rewards. These early adopters of AI in finance are demonstrating the transformative power of this technology, not just in terms of increased profits, but also in enhanced customer experiences, improved risk management, and greater financial inclusion. Their success stories serve as case studies for others in the industry, illustrating the tangible benefits of AI adoption and inspiring further innovation. From global investment banks leveraging AI for algorithmic trading to fintech startups disrupting traditional lending with AI-powered credit scoring, the examples are diverse and inspiring. Let's delve into some specific case studies to understand how AI is being deployed to achieve financial success in the real world. These case studies highlight the breadth of AI applications in finance, demonstrating how this transformative technology is reshaping the industry from the ground up. Transforming finance, one algorithm at a time. JP Chase, a global financial services giant, has been at the forefront of AI adoption in finance. Their AI-powered platform, Coin, analyzes complex legal documents and extracts crucial data points, a task that previously required thousands of hours of manual labor by lawyers and loan officers. This automation has not only significantly reduced processing time and costs, but also improved accuracy and consistency. JP Chase also employs AI for algorithmic trading, fraud detection, and personalized customer service through chatbots, demonstrating the wide-ranging impact of AI across various financial operations. Capital One, a leading credit card issuer, has made significant strides in leveraging AI for fraud detection and personalized customer experiences. Their AI-powered chatbot, Eno, uses natural language processing to understand customer inquiries and provide relevant information or assistance, such as balance inquiries, transaction history, and even bill payment reminders. Capital One also utilizes AI to analyze spending patterns and identify potentially fraudulent transactions in real time, protecting both the bank and its customers from financial losses. The expanding AI frontier. AI is poised for exponential growth in finance. Today's glimpse shows AI's transformative potential. Rapid advancements in AI promise innovative applications. Hyper-personalization is a key area for AI. Imagine financial advice tailored to your needs. AI could revolutionize investment and retirement planning. AI converges with blockchain and quantum computing. Navigating the AI-powered financial landscape. AI in finance holds promise but faces challenges. Ethical and societal implications are crucial. Algorithmic bias is a key concern. Bias in data can lead to unfair outcomes. Transparency and explainability are needed. Collaboration is key to addressing these challenges. Embracing the AI-powered future of finance. The integration of artificial intelligence into the financial sector is not a passing trend. It's a fundamental shift that is reshaping the industry from the ground up. From algorithmic trading to personalized banking and beyond, AI is unlocking new possibilities, creating efficiencies, and driving financial success for both institutions and individuals. As we've explored throughout this journey, the applications of AI in finance are vast and varied, addressing challenges and unlocking opportunities across the entire financial ecosystem. The future of finance is inextricably intertwined with the evolution of AI. Embracing this transformative technology requires not just adopting new tools and techniques, but also fostering a culture of innovation, collaboration, and responsible AI development. By addressing the ethical considerations, ensuring transparency and fairness, and prioritizing the needs of all stakeholders, we can harness the power of AI to create a more inclusive, efficient, and prosperous financial future for everyone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video insightful, please like, comment, and subscribe to the AI Prosperity Hub for more content on AI and financial success. Stay tuned for our next video on the latest AI trends and innovations.